This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2670MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, oven, LP detector, air conditioning, external shower, skylight, water heater, slide-out, auxiliary battery, self-contained, smoke detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2670MK is 7,292 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.